In this saxophone lesson, I'm going to teach you Oh Holy Night step by step. It's in the key of G major. We're going to start on the note B. So again, we're using the notes within the G major scale here, so practice that scale so you can play this entire section. We're starting on B, going up to D, up to E, down to C again, up to E, and then up to high G with the octave key. Then we go on to D, down to B, A, G, B, C, D, C, A, G. So that's the first phrase of Oh Holy Night, and it's all within the range of G major. So we're only playing the notes of G major in this first phrase. So practice that scale as a warm-up exercise before you play this song. So that was the first section of Oh Holy Night. My name's Alexander Matthias from saxophonemasterclass.com, and if you want to get all the fingerings, the note names, the sheet music for this song, there's a link below in the description of this video where it takes you to my website and you can download it absolutely free. I even give you the fingerings for the G major scale so you can practice that as a warm-up exercise to help you with this song. Alright, let's move on to the next section, which is very similar to the first section, but there's just some slight changes. I'll show you what I mean. So we're doing those first 4 bars identical once more, and it sounds like this. This time we're going down to D, but we're adding in what's called an accidental note. We're adding in the C sharp instead of the C. So it sounds like this. So make sure to keep an eye on that C sharp in that section. Make sure to not press down any of the keys and keep your thumbs balancing the saxophone against your body. That's going to help you keep it balanced as you play that note. So that's the first 2 sections. Now we're going to move on to the third section. So this section is a little more difficult. There's a few jumps, so practice these different jumps, isolate them so you can really execute them with ease when it comes up in the song. For example, practice going from E with the octave key down to A and practice it back and forth like this. You also want to make sure you're tonguing every note. That's going to make it a lot easier to get the notes out. Okay, so let's go up to the 4th section where you're going to play a little higher. You're going to play A with the octave key. So this is all holding the octave key down, and we're playing the notes G and A, F sharp and E. So work on those 4 notes. So make sure to work on these higher notes. This is where it gets a little difficult. You might have a tendency to bite down on the reed, so you want to get a lot of breath support in order to get this section. Alright, let's move on to the next section where we're going to go even higher to the B with the octave key. So again, we're holding down the octave key this whole time, playing between the notes B with the octave key and D with the octave key. And that is the last phrase of Oh Holy Night. We go from G up to A, then right up to that high B. So you got to work on your higher octave range in this song in order to really execute it. Again, if you want the fingerings, the note names, the sheet music, go ahead and download it. There's a link below this video and you can start to work on this song offline as well. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson. Comment below if you want to hear more songs like this and check out this next lesson if you want to learn more holiday songs.